Hello guys, this is JB and I'm doing the recap for day 14 in the simulator. Today was a really ugly day. It was a 1000 loss. So I'm really not happy. I mean I'm glad this is the simulator, but I think I really traded bad today. I I like yesterday I tried to manage different stocks simultaneously. Yesterday worked out, today it did not. So I lost a lot of money and I want to go each one by one of the trades I took. So yeah, let's go. So the first trade I take was in TNDM. It was an opening range breakdown. So let's go to the 1 minute chart. So yeah, I took uh, yeah. So here is the 5 minute opening range. So I went long here, and then I yeah. I mean, before closing this position, I took a trade on Twitter. I think I put a stop loss here in TNDM in case the price went against me, and then I went to Twitter. But yeah, let's see what happened with TNDM. So I I exit the position right here at 938 and at the price of $30. So yeah. I mean, in the 1 minute, it might look better. So, yeah, I went long here because in the 5 minute it was going above the closing price, and then I exit here. Yeah, I think that triggered my stop loss. That was an automatic trigger. So, okay, and then let's see what else I did with Twitter at 9:37. 9:37. Yeah, I mean, I saw the daily chart in Twitter, and I was thinking that this engulfing candle, daily candle, this was going to be a green day today. So I was biased to the long side, but even though I was biased to the long side, the first trade I took was a short. I took a short here. I mean, this doji, it's not a good idea to take opening range breakdowns when you see dojis because it doesn't show like a clear direction and strength to the up or to the down. So I took a short here. Sorry. I took a long here. Yeah, I took a long here because the price was going up. So I think, okay, this is with my plan. But then the price just dropped all the way and I have to exit here. And then I took a short. I said, okay, this has surpassed the lowest point of the previous candle. So let's take an opening range breakdown. I took an opening range breakdown here, and then the price just went against me, and I exit here. Then I took a long here, and then yeah, I took a long here, and then I end up exiting here. So so Twitter really got me today. I didn't trade really good with Twitter. So like I said, I mean, in the daily chart, I saw this engulfing candle. So my first try was to make a long. So I did okay with the opening range breakup because it was going up, but yeah, the price just went back. And then I don't know, I should have waited more. So this was, I mean, this was just pure dodgy. This is not a clear price action. So I should have waited. And maybe the best idea was to wait until this point and take a short it lose the VWAP. Could have taken a short there. So So yeah, I mean, in my experience, I'm not very good with the first 5, 10, 15 minutes. I should wait more. But I always say that and I don't. I mean, I know I'm trading on the simulator, so I really want to make money and prove myself that I can do it. But I mean, I don't know. If I don't see very clear opening range breakdowns or breakups, I should not take them. Okay, so let's go back to TNDM. TNDM. So right here at 9:39, let's see. So at 9:39, I took a short. Okay, so I saw, okay, this is going down, so I thought at this point maybe it was going to lose the VWAP, so I took a short here, but it just went all the way up. So yeah, so I lost money right here, and I exit some here, and I exit the other part. Yeah, I exit here and I exit twice here. Yeah. So then on TNDM at 9:44, I took again. I was hoping for this level to break, so I was doing okay. I mean, if I saw this price action better, I mean, I could have seen this like trend line, this downtrend. So maybe the best idea was to take a short here when it couldn't pass this level. But yeah, I was waiting for the breakdown, so I took a short here, TNDM short, and then I end up covered in the break even. I didn't like the price action. I thought it was going to move against me, which it did. So I exit in the break even. I exit. Yeah. Wait. TNDM. No, what I did here, 952, was to add more. I added more here. I added more. And then it was a really bad loss because yeah, I mean, this was really choppy. It didn't want to go anywhere. I mean, it would break out this, then break down. So I was hoping for a short there, but then it just squeezed me up really fast. I could have exit this position much early, so I just exit here and I lost $100 there. Then, okay, yeah, I covered some here. Then I think I made a hotkey mistake, and I covered the rest right there. And then I went long. I went long at 10:21, really chasing the stock. I mean, I say, okay, this was really short squeeze. Maybe people were getting long, and I think, okay, this is might be a pullback. And actually, it was a good trade, but I'm not really proud because I took 800 shares, and then I sold some on the pop, just $30 profit, and then I sold the rest when it in the break even. So yeah, as you can see, I was really like, yeah, then I took another short here. This was a good one. This was a real pullback to this moving average. So I took a short, a long here, and then I cover here, and here. So I made that was the only good trade I took on the long side on TNDM. Then what else? 10:28. Yeah, that was it for TNDM. But like you see in the trade timestamp, I was taking too much trades at the same time. I put the stop loss in one and then I moved to the other. But yeah, that is not good for me because I'm not really experienced right now. I mean, it's good to try this because I get experience in managing multiple trades at the same time. But I really have to focus one by one, and you know, if I don't like the price action, I just exit and I just move to another one and focus my energy. if I get more experience, more confidence, I can manage multiple trades at the same time. Maybe placing my profit target and my stop loss at the same time. So I just can take and forget about that trade and move to another opportunity. That might be a good strategy, but for experienced traders, maybe it's better. So I took CYMC. CYMC, I took some trades on that. 951. 951. Okay, right here. Yeah, in the chat room, they were calling it for a reversal. So I took a long here, then the price went down, and I just kept trying to take this reversal. Then I take another reversal here, and then got stopped out here, and then yeah, I mean I lost like $176 in the simulator trying to make this reversal work. I even yeah, like all the let me see, 1028. Yeah, I took another reversal here. I added more. I was at one point like with 1,600 shares of CYMC, but it really didn't want to go up. But look, at the end, it squeezed all these short sellers, and people were executing long. So it was actually a good a good moment. Maybe I wasn't patient enough. I could have my stop loss lower, but at this point I was losing a lot of money, so I didn't want to lose more money. So I really have to exit really quick. So yeah, I mean all the trades I took on CYMC were for the reversal, but I got getting a stopping out. But at the end it worked out. Yeah, I took more trades. I mean, I took a trade in Sky. Really, I was profiting at some point, but then I lost the profits. So it's Sky at 10.11. 10.11. I was shorting it here. I actually 10.22. I added more. 10.22. I added more. Added more here. And yeah, 10.33 right here. I exit some of the position here. I exit, and then I exit the rest. I exit there. So it was almost like a okay. I think I. Oh, okay. No. Then I took a long here. I took a long. I don't know if it was I mean, a keyword a hotkey mistake, but I took a long, and then the price just went down, so I lost like $200 there. And then I just kept over trading, and then I took shorts for the same quantity, 1,000. I mean, I think at this moment I saw here in this area there was a big hidden seller, because I mean people were buying on the ask, but the quantities did not renew. So it just showed 111, and it never break this level. And once this hidden seller was taken out, I took a long there. I took a long, which was a good trade. Took a long here, and then I cover here. So let me see if I can find it. Yeah, it was here, 1045, and then it went up to this level, and but then I took another long here. Maybe this was just a short squeeze, a really bad short squeeze, but I took a long here again, and then I end up covering really in the way down here. So yeah, I mean, I don't want to extend this recap. I shouldn't take so many trades. I have to really stop and think what I'm doing. I want to make these recaps cleaner, like Andrew and the other guys that upload in YouTube. I took 53 tickets. That's way too much for me. And yeah, I lost $1,000. Thank God this was a simulator. I mean, my max loss that I set to myself in the simulator was going to be 500, but I went way above my max loss. So that's really bad because if I am disciplined in the simulator, I would also be disciplined in the live account. So I really have to see the simulator as the real experience. Okay, so yeah, I hope tomorrow, next week on Monday, it's gonna be a better day trade. Bye bye.